Hi, this is Kimberly with Mystic Mountain Homestead and Skiatook Bee Supply, and today I wanted to share something with you that I mentioned on our episode 5 of Come Prepare With Us. We talked a little bit about using zucchinis from your garden or from when friends give you lots of zucchinis and how to make zoodles. And this is this nifty little piece of equipment for the kitchen that I just recently got. And I really like it because I can make zoodles, and since I'm keto, that's really great because I don't have to worry about having the pasta and going over my carb count for the day. So this brand here is what I got, and when I looked them up, this one seemed to do exactly what I wanted it to do. It will make different size zoodles or noodles out of just about anything that you put in there. You could do this spiraling with potatoes, or for just making some pretty cool dishes in appearance, and of course pretty food always tastes better. But this will make zoodles, and I'm just going to demonstrate this for you today. This comes with 3 blades, and the one that was on it when it came is this one right here, and they come off really easy. This is what it looks like. When you get it, this handle is facing in, and you have to unscrew it and put it on so that it's out. They do that for packaging reasons. But you're going to place your zucchini end into this and push it into here. And then when you turn this and push it forward, it of course cuts the zucchini into the spirals. So this little blade here pops out just so easy. And the first time I popped it, I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I don't know how I'm going to get that back in. I don't know how exactly to do it, because the instruction just said, you know, this is how it does. And it shows this picture, but it doesn't really give instructions. But it's really simple. You just push it in. This just goes through the slot, and then you just pull it toward you like that and snaps it in. And this little piece here catches it and holds it in place. And there's 3 different sizes. And so I just kind of like the one that it came with. And so I've got a zucchini here, and I'm going to demonstrate this for you. I'm going to cut the end off of it. And we'll cut it about right there. That should be good. Okay, so I'm going to pull it all the way back. Maybe I got it a little bit too long. I may have got this one too long. Okay, start there.
And can you buy these in longer lengths, or is this just standard size?
I think this is a standard size, and you can get these on Amazon. These are awesome. I'm just excited about this because I like to dehydrate these, and I can dehydrate them, or I can make them fresh when zucchinis are in season. And so I really am kind of happy about this little piece of equipment. We're going to put it up there just like that. Now, this got a little rubber pad here on it, and what I like to do is I like to moisten that because it helps it stick to the surface. So I'm going to stick it on my cutting board here and just kind of push down, and then it has this little lever that helps lock it into place, and so it doesn't move as much. So you just kind of push forward and watch this. Isn't that great? Look at that. So I'm making zoodles. So tonight I'm going to have a wonderful marinara meat sauce with my zoodles. Maybe I'm going to put saute some mushrooms and fresh garlic with it. And this is going to be fabulous for dinner. Look at that. So there is this little piece here, but a lot of times what I do with it is I'll slice it thin and just throw it in my dehydrator. But look at all this. Isn't that great? And so you just drop these into boiling water for just a few minutes, just enough to make them a little tender, and cook them just a little bit. Pull them out, drain them, salt them, and they are ready to serve, just like you would serve fresh noodles. Now, one thing I did notice about this pops off. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but it does. I thought about putting some super glue on it, but I don't know. So we're just going to see how it does for now. I'll do one more piece here. So this is a smaller one. So push it up there. Look at that. I'm going to do probably another zucchini, so I'll have plenty of them for dinner tonight. And everybody will get to eat keto tonight. Okay, so that's how you make these lovely zoodles for dinner out of your zucchini. It's another way to wonderfully use your zucchini and still get healthy, nutritious food that it doesn't have to be, it's gluten-free. It works great. So like, subscribe, please share our video, and if you have comments about it, tell us about it, and you'll be able to find this down below in the links on the Amazon store. Have a good day.